Hey coin collectors and history lovers! Welcome back to Old Charles, where we uncover the hidden stories and surprising values behind everyday coins. In today's episode, we're diving into the fascinating world of the 1983 United States quarter dollar, a coin that might just be worth more than 25 cents. The 1983 Washington quarter was part of the regular coinage series minted by the United States Mint. Featuring George Washington on the obverse, a design by John Flanagan that's been used since 1932, this coin was minted at a time when the U.S. economy was recovering from a tough recession. Because of this economic situation, no official U.S. mint sets were produced in 1982 or 1983. That's important, and we'll come back to it, because it affects the value of 1983 quarters today. Let's take a look at the specs of the 1983 quarter. Composition ** 91.67% copper, 8.33% nickel, weight ** 5.67 grams, diameter ** 24.3 millimeters, edge ** reeded. And to be clear, the 1983 quarter is not made of silver. It's clad, meaning copper-nickel over a copper core. The 1983 quarter was minted at two locations: the Philadelphia Mint, with no mint mark; the Denver Mint, with a D mint mark. Over 673 million quarters were minted in Philadelphia, and around 617 million in Denver. That's a huge number, so you might wonder, why is this coin special? Because the U.S. Mint did not produce official uncirculated mint sets in 1983, collectors couldn't easily get pristine examples of that year's coins. That means, high-grade 1983 quarters are much harder to find. Many that exist are from circulation, and show where this has created a strong demand for high-grade or mint-state, MS, 1983 quarters, especially in grades MS65 and above. Let's talk value. A worn, circulated 1983 quarter is still worth just 25 cents. But a coin in excellent condition, like those graded MS65 or higher, can sell $4.20 to $1.50, depending on the mint and quality. In fact, a rare MS67 1983 D quarter sold for over $1,400 at auction. That's right, a modern quarter worth over $1,000. Key factors that affect value ** mint mark, P or D, ** grade, MS65, MS66, MS67, ** luster and strike quality ** no signs of wear or scratches ** and yes, there are some error coins from 1983 that bring even higher prices. Look out for double die obverse, DDO, **, check for doubling in the word Liberty, or date ** off-center strikes ** clipped planchets ** struck through grease errors. These minting mistakes can boost the coin's value by hundreds of dollars, especially if verified by a grading service like PCGS or NGC. If you want to find a valuable 1983 quarter, here are some quick tips. Check your spare change, look for sharp details, and know where. Use a magnifying glass to check for errors. Consider submitting high-quality coins for grading. Graded coins in PCGS or NGC holders hold their value much better on the collector's market. Here's a fun fact. In the 1980s, 25 cents could buy you a candy bar, a soda, or even a game at the arcade. Today, that same coin, if it's a high-grade 1983 quarter, could be worth 50 times more or higher. So there you have it. The 1983 United States quarter dollar may look ordinary, but in the right condition, it could be a hidden treasure. Let's take a step back and explore the history behind the 1983 United States quarter dollar, a coin with more to its story than just being everyday pocket change. The design of the quarter, featuring President George Washington, dates all the way back to 1932, created by the sculptor John Flanagan to commemorate Washington's 200th birthday. This design quickly became iconic and has been a staple on the quarter for over 90 years. Now, fast forward to the early 1980s, a time when America was bouncing back from a recession. The economy was stabilizing, and everyday transactions were still largely cash-based. The quarter, worth 25 cents, was a fundamental part of daily commerce. Interestingly, the 1983 quarter was minted during a unique period when the U.S. Mint did not produce official uncirculated mint sets for 1982 and 1983. This was due to economic considerations and changes in coin production policies. This absence of official mint sets created a scarcity of pristine mint-condition 1,983 quarters among collectors, making well-preserved 1983 quarters a bit of a modern-day rarity. The coins were minted in Philadelphia and Denver, with both mints producing hundreds of millions of quarters. Still, because of the lack of mint sets, collectors had fewer options to get flawless coins from this year. Despite their abundance in circulation, the 1983 quarters hold a special place among numismatists, especially those interested in modern coins, because finding an uncirculated 1983 quarter is not as simple as it might seem. And that's how a seemingly common coin became valuable, not just for its metal content or age, but for the story of its production, scarcity in high condition, and the collector demand that followed. Now that we know the history, let's talk about condition, the single most important factor that affects the value of your 1983 quarter. When it comes to coins, condition is king. Even though millions of 1983 quarters were minted, the vast majority you'll find today have been circulated, meaning they show signs of wear from being handled, dropped, or rubbed against other coins. In contrast, uncirculated or mint state (MS) coins show almost no wear and retain their original luster, that bright, shiny surface that makes the coin look like it just left the mint. For 1,983 quarters, grades like MS60, MS63, MS65, and above are where you'll start to see the coin's value increase dramatically. For example, an MS60 might be worth around $5 to $10 and MS65 could fetch $20 to $50, or more. Higher grades like MS66 or MS67 can sell for hundreds, sometimes over $1,000. Professional grading companies such as PCGS and NGC evaluate coins based on strike quality, how well the details were stamped, surface preservation, absence of scratches or discoloration, luster and eye appeal. So if you think you have a 1983 quarter that looks exceptionally sharp and shiny, it might be worth having it professionally graded to unlock its full value potential. And here's a quick tip: avoid cleaning your coins. Cleaning can actually reduce a coin's value by causing scratches or unnatural surface.